We'll be comparing Toyota Highlander gasoline versus the hybrid version of the vehicle. In the previous video, we have demonstrated this comparison, the break-even analysis between gasoline versus hybrid using Microsoft Excel for the Toyota Corolla gas versus the hybrid. We'll be using this exact same file. I'll be only changing these numbers for the Toyota Highlander. So after you create this Excel file like this, watching the video demonstration, so you basically right click. Now you'll be doing a lot of this during this course when you'll be doing your homework quiz, your test, when you are going to compare a set of different things using the exact same procedure. You really don't need to make it again and again. Simply what you can do, once you create this Excel file, one Excel file, you can right click on the name of that sheet. It says Corolla. Right click on there, move or copy, move to the end, create a copy, hit OK, and I'm going to change this name to Highlander. So I'm going to do it Highlander, Toyota Highlander. I'll change that name to Highlander. And then I'll change all this number for Highlander. So when I collected this data, I think early 2025 or late 2024. Around that time, the gasoline version for the hybrid for the Highlander was $39,820 and the hybrid version was $46,320. The fuel mileage that you get from gasoline was 24 combined city and highway, and for the hybrid you get 35 miles per gallon. Now we'll be using the same fuel cost that we have used in the previous video. You can change if you it's a different. Let's change some of these numbers. I'm gonna basically change this to starting from maybe 39 because it doesn't really start at that low like Toyota Corolla, and I'll leave it like that. So as you can see, like Toyota Corolla, it was breaking even under 50,000 miles. So it made a whole lot of sense. And over its life, you'll be saving over $4,000 if you use Toyota Corolla. But if you look at the Toyota Highlander, it breaks even somewhere almost close to 150,000 miles. Let's go check that exact value where it breaks even. So you're losing money, somewhere here, over 140,000 miles you need to drive to break even the additional cost of $6,500 for the Highlander hybrid, which does not make sense because the warranty for this vehicle is just 60,000 miles. So less, even if you expect the life of this vehicle about 200,000 miles, is still you really don't save that much actually driving this Highlander hybrid compared to its gasoline version. So you can't really generalize one calculation for the other. You have to perform the calculation for particularly for that vehicle to find out which one makes sense or which one does not.